Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 9th May 2019's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is showing just 6.5 points down move at the level of 11,396.5. Yes, of course, yesterday there was a huge downfall in SGX Nifty and Indian markets as well. Let's see what Indian markets are offering as of now. Dow Jones down, up by 2 points. Nasdaq down by 20 points. For S&P down by 4.63 points. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets will open in flat to green in today's pre-open and open session. I am telling green because of a reason. Look at fast stochastic. Fast stochastic is currently at the level of 2.45, whereas slow stochastic is at the level of 7.23. So both denote that we are in a total oversold zone as of now, and we have already hit the trough of level of 11,343 since we managed to come down all the way to the level of 11,343. Now probably we'll take support over here and consolidate, and afterwards go upwards right from here onwards. That's the propulsion way how the market has to go upwards. And what is MACD suggesting? MACD is negative, totally negative as of now. 28.92 for MACD and exponential at 78. So it denotes that we are totally in a negative zone for MACD. There is no momentum as such in the market for market to propel upwards. So what are the supports and resistances we have to watch out for in today's session if the market has to fall more lower? The level of 11,311 and 11,300, 11,287 levels and 11,239 levels and 11,200 and 11,171 are the levels of support we have to watch out for. 11,171, my guys, is a huge support for the market. If the market has to fall there, the market will surely take support at that particular level. Mind my words, because it is one of the all-time highs which has scaled previously as well. So let us see what are the resistances we have to watch out for. Ample resistances as of now. The first level of resistance comes at 11,400 levels, and the next level of resistance at 11,458 levels, and 11,500 of course as a psychological resistance, 11,524 and 11,548 to 11,550, 11,577 levels and 11,615 levels and 11,662 are the levels of resistances we have to watch out for in today's session. That is the technical knowledge for today, guys. If you want all this technical knowledge for yourself, click on the first link in the description below. You'll be taught 3 strategies which makes you money on a daily basis. Not weekly, not monthly, daily, and I'll teach you 3 strategies plus 1 strategy which is making about 50 to 100% return in just one day. That being said, if you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.